Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set the cleaning schedule in your ROBOROCK Qrevo Edge. So at first tap here this gear icon in the top right corner and tap schedules. Tap add schedule, tap start. You can here set the hour that your cleaning will start. For example, it'll be 12 o'clock and repeat every day. Okay. Task. Rooms. Routine. Let me, for example, add my routine as a scheduled task. This. VVGH. Now this tick icon, and we have our schedule done. You just need to adjust it up to your own preferences, as I say. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.